You ready for Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready for Paris? Oh, heck yeah.
Where are we?
Paris. Eddie.
What's today?
14th. Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's
Valentine's
Day.
Car on top of a hill, and they let go and turn around. And then it goes flying away. And then your baby's gone.
Your baby's dead.
It happens.
There's no context to this. Just your baby's dead. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
I don't know what this is.
Oui, oui. Bonjour.
My goodness. It's Eiffel Tower.
Oui, oui. Yes.
Hey. Hey.
You drink it?
Rachel, what did you get?
Escargot.
She does. She does snails.
I'm afraid of snails.
I'll eat the first one.
You got it. You got it. I've had them before. No. This is for the pasta. This is for when you made me eat pasta.
Eating pasta?
You're good. Oh, no.
Which one did you not take? This one? I'm not doing it. Shoot.
He's really out here trying his hardest. He really is.
Yay?
What did you say?
Question mark, yay?
How is it?
Wow.
We're in the catacombs. We're going down to the catacombs. There, Rachel. There, Noah.
What happened?
Does it feel like spooky?
Yeah.
Really?
It feels a little
It's
spooky.
very scary.
Why are all the boats here?
Little spooky doo.
Because they're dead.
Why no boat? Why did they put the boat here?
Oh, spooky.
Descriptions. Out. Oh, yeah.
Don't touch it.
I touched it. I touched it.
Oh my god, oh my god.
He's cute. We ordered pizza and this man's just left with one chew on. What do we have?
We have pizza!
What kind of pizza?
I'm so excited. Oh my god, Hawaiian pizza! I forgot.
She decided.
Comment down below. Do you like pineapple on your pizza or not? You better.
What do we have?
Pizza!
Macaroons.
What do we have?
Macaroons.
And chicken.
Alright, you can't have any pizza, Dan. Wanna go over there?
Nope.
I can do that. Go. Oh my god. Ah.
Red. Is it that
My
tractor?
sweater. Your
Yeah,
sweater.
it's a tractor.
Dang it. I thought it was my sweater.
But I noticed, look at that really tall building way in the distance. Oh. I want you to know that I was going to use the tractor next.
I with my little eyes. Something brown.
Something
Oh.
brown?
Brown.
The tower.
Dang it! So. What's this still going, right?
What the heck is happening? We got random people running. We got all these cops. Something that is going down.
We're going to watch the soccer game.
Literally, what's going on?
Look how fast they're going. Why are they running so fast? What are the cops doing?
Oh my god.
Is there chanting?
Yeah.
Oh, now there's chanting.
What?
Say something cute and meaningful.
Danielle, that's not on my face. That's better.
Say
Danielle.
something cute and meaningful.
I love you.
I fly. Wow. With my oh, no one waved at you.
No, no, one guy stared at me.
No. Little fish.
Disgusting.
What did you just ask?
We like anchovies.
Are you making fun of me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll knock you out.
We are in the Eiffel Tower.
Danielle, knock her out.
Inside the Eiffel Tower.
Knock her
You
out.
won't?
Danielle, I'm asking you to knock her
I'm
out.
not going to do it.
Thank you so much.
No, stop. Don't play it like that. Do, 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 do.
That goes to make good with this train.
Like always. We're in the Eiffel Tower and it's twinkling. Look at it go.
Show like
Wow. Let's go down more. Yes. I love the Eiffel Tower. So pretty. That was it. Bye.
Ray Chase. Rachel. Chul.
She's gonna beat you up by the time you leave. What did you say?
I miss my mom. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, I hate that.
Look at that
This is
one.
glass. I hate it. No, don't do it. Do not. Oh my god. No. I'm getting off.
I'll jump. Can I jump into when you're not?
No, please don't.
Please?
No.
Please?
No.
I'm jumping. That's good clickbait. Yeah. Watch my boyfriend die.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh, I hate. Oh my god. I hate it.
Do it in the room. Well, look at it. Now it went that way. No.
Wind takes
The
it.
wind can't be going both ways. It goes.
Yes, it can.
Either goes
The
that way
wind's
or it goes that
crazy.
way. Either it's going one way or it doesn't go anywhere.
Have you ever heard of, I don't know, different winds?
No, I haven't. You ever played the Mii Golf? You ever play Mii Golf, the Wii Golf thing?
Golf? It's just called Wii Golf, not Mii Golf.
Potato, tomato.
That's not the same.
I don't even care, okay?
That was pretty.
That's, can we get the souvenirs? Not sponsored. Noah, go get the souvenirs.
You paid good money for those.
Is that what that is?
Yes, go get them.
Oh, that was an empty bag. I'm gonna leave.
Go get them. Go get it.
That's scary. I'm gonna die.
what you did.
Why are you running? I mean,
That scared me.
I was gonna have you on your toes. That's how you do it. Yay!
By night, Eiffel Tower. I miss you.
I miss you.
I tried to blow it a kiss, but then there's people behind me. Wait. No, too far.
Doing a sideways.
And trying to go. Ew.
Okay.
This is gonna go green.
Now take one. Hold on. I can do that.
Do that.
He sounds like he's being strangled.
To our last day in Paris. What's going on right there? Look at all those police.
We found another protest.
Having war flush.
I know.
There's police running right there.
Kidding?
I got
Are
that
you
one on camera, dude. There's people all over there running. There's yellow vest people over there. Are you nervous now?
Not really.
Good, I am. There's all protesters over there. The police all running right there. There's the Eiffel Tower. Hopefully that
So
beautiful
pretty.
thing
Oh
is
my
okay.
gosh.
Yeah.
Why does this happen to us?
This is not
Literally
going great.
everywhere. There's like a protest going on over there, and then there's people taking nice pictures with the Eiffel Tower. They're like,
Look at those dogs.
Long Island Beagles.
Are the best beagles. Just study abroad things. Our happy space has been infiltrated by the protest.
There's so many of them.
You trying to be in it?
Yeah.
They're all coming. All around the Eiffel Tower, which is kind of scary.
They're knocking it down, I told you.
Don't talk like
They're
that.
knocking it down.
Eiffel Tower. But we got this guy. You don't want to strip me. Bye. Bye, Paris. Bye, Paris.